Games fail to load. Low on budget? Searching for a GPU that doesn't require a brand new power supply? Well, you are in the right place.
That's the one!
Welcome to my channel, Unbox Unveil. Today, I'm going to unbox my brand new Asus RTX 3056GB OC Dual Fan Edition. After opening the box, the first thing you'll see is the beast itself, packed safely in the anti-static wrapping. Let's keep it aside for a while. Beneath the box, some usual paperwork which you don't need, but I'll show you everything as a part of formality. The quick start guide and the warranty card with a thank you note. Now, let's see the beast itself. Let's take the wrapping out of it. Asus and GeForce branding is there. If you have a transparent case, this will look cool. Let's talk about what makes this card a true problem solver. Under the hood, the Asus Dual RTX 3056GB OC Edition is built on NVIDIA's Ampere architecture with 2304 CUDA cores running a boosted clock speed of 1507 MHz. It features 6GB of high-speed GDDR6 memory on a 96-bit bus width. But the real highlight? The power efficiency. It has a total power draw of just 70 watts, meaning it requires zero external power cables and can easily run on a basic 450-watt power supply. Plus, because it's an RTX card, you get full access to ray tracing and AI-powered DLSS to instantly boost your frame rates in modern games. And yes, ray tracing is supported. You can turn on realistic lighting, reflections, and shadows in games like Cyberpunk 2077, Minecraft RTX, or Spider-Man. Now, it's time to put the GPU into the motherboard. Let's safely place it into the PCIe slot. There will be a click sound that defines it locked itself with the motherboard safely. Then, we just screw it on the back side of the case. Now it's time to download the drivers. You can download it directly from the official website. Install it, and your PC is officially ready to roll. There will be a point in the driver installation where the installer app will ask you whether you want the game-ready driver or the studio driver. Choose it wisely. As I am a content creator, I am going with the studio version. Now, it's time for some gameplay. Although I am really bad at gaming, just for the sake of this video, I will play PUBG and see how it works. As you can see right here on the screen, this GPU delivers a constant, rock-solid 60 FPS. Even with my bad aiming, the game itself runs incredibly smooth with absolutely zero stutters. If you enjoyed this unboxing and testing, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to Unbox Unveil for more tech content. See you in the next one.